Bambini session 4, the bird. So we're going to practice becoming a bird today. And while I'm getting the microphone set up, can you think about a very elegant bird, a bit like an eagle, a bird with big, beautiful wings, a crane, like those Japanese big cranes, a stork. Just think of a bird with big wings, and help me set up the mic here in the garden. You can hear the birds singing, which is very nice. And where should we put the mic? I think that looks good there. Okay. So the bird practice is fun, and it lightens up the whole energy. It helps you feel clearer, emptier inside. And the reason is that we clear the space, if you like, between the fingers, so it helps the body become clearer. So a few times you move your fingers to start with, clear the space between the fingers. Close the fingers, open, close, open the fingers. So this will help when it comes to opening the wings and spreading the wings of the bird. But initially, as usual, we'll release some tension off the body. Shake it off. Drop it down. And while we're doing this, think of a big, elegant bird. What's your favorite big bird that's elegant, like an eagle? We don't want to have a chicken or something like that, but a bird with big wings, beautiful big bird that you may have seen in pictures or on TV, on David Attenborough. Shake off. Pause for a moment, settle everything down to earth. Always good to settle the energy through the feet into the earth. And pause. Breathe deeply out from the mouth, in through the nose. You're breathing in fresh air, breathing out stuffy air. Even if we're indoors, you can do this. Exchange the air in the body. Fresh air in. Imagine getting all the fresh air from around you. Stuffy air out. Shake off. Gentle slapping. Slapping. Remember, strengthening. Pause. Cleansing part, you close the fingers, just keep the thumb out, cleaning the hair to the back of the neck, front, lower back, outside of the legs, down to the feet. Shake off, as if you're taking the dust off the body. This actually makes you feel lighter, cleaner, like your energy system is lightened up. Then shoulders to the hands. cleaning off. Back of the hands, cleaning off. Under the elbows, cleaning off. So the arms begin feeling lighter and cleaner. I don't mean clean as in dirty, it's more like collecting dust or iron filings off a magnet. You know when you clean a magnet, have you done that at school? Just cleaning off like this. And back of the hands. Then push down to the feet. Just a few times we'll do this form. Opening, coming up, back of the head, front, lower back, push down to the feet, bend down, turn, come up the inside, open. Let's do this 3 times. Move the energy down to earth, open up the front part, open, come up, back, front, push down to the feet. So then we'll get ready for the bird practice. So to start with, mentally, you think of the bird in your mind, have the image, and the back of the wrists, this part, you can rest on the lower back, on your kidneys. These are like the wings of the bird here. Just rest the hands here, very comfortable position. Rest the hands. Close the eyes gently. Just imagine this bird, that you become this bird. Put the feet together, actually. So the legs or the feet aren't so important. The wings are more important of the bird. So legs together, feet together. Imagine the wings want to open up at the back. But they're tucked in for now. In a minute, we want to open the wings. But first, mentally, have the image of this elegant, beautiful bird wants to open the wings. Open the eyes. Gradually the wings come off, down the back. Open, open, come up, extend up as far as you can. Open the fingers, come down. So the wings are tucking in, coming up, extending to the heaven, opening. Feel very nice feeling that you can open up the whole chest, the whole body. When you go up, we can breathe in going up, breathe out, coming down. Breathing in, all the fresh air in, very good for the lungs, for the whole body. Breathing out, coming down. Breathing in. And feel the wings becoming bigger. And as they come through the air supporting the wings. This is why the birds can fly. They drop all their weight to earth, and the wings carry them up. If we could drop all our weight to the earth, we'd be a lot lighter. Sometimes we hold on to our weight, so we can learn from the birds, learn from nature. Once more, coming up, coming down. Then close the fingers, arms or wings out, feet together. Just move the wings from one side to the other. Imagine the energy like a wave moving one side to the other. Once more. Then pause, hands come to the front, right hand on top of left, touching with the hands, or let's say the wings. Then one of them goes to the back, one of them to the front. This one going to the front, this one to the back. Come to the middle. One to the back, one to the front. Come to the middle, as if they want to meet at the front, but they can't. One hand rejecting the other one. Just allow the wings to move, one forwards, one backwards. So if you slow it down, at the front the hands nearly meet, one turns, goes forward and up, the other one going back. Forward and up, the other one back. Just very lightly do this. Then slow down, coming to the front. Then we open the fingers, spread the feet open, go to one side, 90 degrees. So the ankles lined up. These are the wings. Imagine pushing water with the wings. Like swans do this often. You see them pushing the water. Breathe out as you push. Open. Breathe in. Feel the water rejecting the hands, the wings cleaning, clearing any stuck feeling. Then come to the front, middle, go to the other side. Once more, open, close the fingers, back of the wrists, close the wings, tuck them in to the lower back again. Close the eyes, the wings tucked in. Sense the warmth at the lower back. Feel the body lighter, airier. Just the feet can feel a bit heavy, body feeling quite empty, quite airy, quite light. So it's very good, the bird practice, for clearing any feeling of stuckness, heaviness. Mentally you can come back to the body. Do some rubbing on the lower back and clear the image from your mind. Hands come away. Move the fingers. Just do a little bit of cleaning, front of the head to the back of the head, cleaning off from the wings or from the arms, cleaning off anywhere we built up any tension. So that's the bird. Hopefully you feel a bit lighter. If you feel inspired, you can do some writing, some drawing. Just put your ideas down. It's always good to put these things down on paper. Qigong I find very inspiring, gives me lots of ideas. And the bird clears the mind a bit, clears the body. So it might give you some interesting ideas and help your creativity. Thank you, everyone.